Hey guys! I am Mad Friend Sweet and welcome back to your go-to tambayan for smart car buying tips and legit deals. This is Manila Auto Display. Today, let's talk about something very important. A question that always pops up on your mind when buying a second-hand car. Should you go for cash or financing when buying a car? Kung first time mo palang bibili, or kung nakaisa or pangalawang beses ka na, I'm pretty sure this question crossed your mind. Makakatipid kaya ako kung cash? Or kaya na budget ko kung financing? So in this video, we'll break it down for you. Simple, real talk, and my counting trivia and tips along the way. Tara, samahan mo kami. Alright, quick basics lang. Cash means bayad ka na ng buo. Wala ka ng utang, wala ka ng installment. Pagkakuha mo ng sasakyan, sa'yo na kaagad yan. Financing on the other hand, is hulugan/installment. Magbabayad ka ng down payment. Usually, lowest niya nasa around 10% of the unit's price. So, let's say 50,000 or 100,000, depending on the price of the car na kukunin mo. And then the rest, imo-monthly amortize mo siya. Usually, nasa around 1 year to 4 years yung payment terms. Some people think na ang cash ang smarter option. Pero, hindi kasi yung totoo para sa lahat. Kasi nga, different tayo ng financial situation and goals. So, let's dig deeper. If you can pay in cash, good job! May pang full pay ka na. And yes, makakatipid ka talaga in the long run. Why? Kasi wala ka nang iniisip na interest. Plus, wala ka ring babayaran every month. The unit is fully yours agad. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng 3 or 5 years para masabi mo sa sarili mo na, akin to. Plus, no paperwork hassle. Hindi mo na kailangan i-process ang loan or ang approval mo. Quick tip! Kung may plano ka na magamitin yung kotse mo for business, then mas okay na yung cash. Kasi, mas mabilis mong mapaprocess or mare-recover yung investment mo. But here's the catch. Ubus budget. Kung lahat ng pera mo ay gagastusin mo para ipambili sa kotse, paano na lang yung emergency fund mo? Paano kung may bigla ang gagastusin ka sa family, sa health, or sa negosyo mo? That's why some buyers, kahit na may pera sila pang cash, still they prefer partial financing. At isa pa, paying in full won't build your credit history. Trivia lang. If you're planning to get a home loan or a business loan later, banks usually check if you've had a successful loans before. And a car loan is a good start. Now, let's talk about financing, which is actually the more common option today. Especially if you're a first-time car buyer. Una sa lahat, hindi mo naman kailangan malaki agad eh. Even a 50,000 pesos cash can get you a decent car na. So if you're working, may steady income, want to build good credit, then this is a good move. You can drive the car naman agad-agad eh, kahit na hindi ka pabayad in full. Pwede mong hati-hatiin ang budget mo. Cars, savings, negosyo, family expenses, lahat mapaplano mo. Real talk tip. Financing is good if you're disciplined. Kung marunong kang mag-budget, hindi ka masistress. Pero, if hindi mo kayang i-handle ang mga monthly dues mo, baka may chance na mahirapan ka at ma-repossess yung car. Of course, my downsides. And interest is the biggest factor. Alam nating lahat yan. Let's say the car is priced at around 700,000 pesos. And after 4 years of paying 14,000 pesos per month, most likely you might pay more than 800,000 pesos in total. So halos 100,000 pesos na ang nadagdag sa presyo ng sasakyang nabili mo. Second, meron tayong approval process. Hindi lahat pasado agad. Banks or financing partners check your income, your work status, and sometimes pa nga even check your location and your history. Pero, don't worry. We help guide buyers step by step kung paano ma-approve agad. Now, let's go to the big question. Ano nga ba talaga ang mas sulit? If you're the type of person na may extra cash, may savings ka, and you want peace of mind, then go for cash. Mas simple ang proseso, mas konti ang paperworks, and wala kang iisipin na utang. Perfect ito for buyers na bibili ng second-hand car. Mas mababa ang total value price niya. Pero kung ang goal mo ay magka-car ngayon and ayaw mong i-drain agad-agad yung bank account mo, then financing is your best option. Lalo na kung may stable income ka naman. Salaried, OFW family, business owner, online seller, freelancer. Financing gives you flexibility. And one last thing, wala talagang best option for all. Ang best option mo is ang fit sa budget mo, sa lifestyle mo, and sa priorities mo sa buhay. Wala sa dami ng pera yan, kundi sa tamang diskarte. So, ayan na! I hope this video helped you find kung ano bang best better sa'yo, cash or financing ba? If you still need any help or want a free consultation, please feel free to message us on our respective platforms and don't forget to leave a comment below or send us a PM. And kung meron kang mga tanong na gusto mong sagutin namin sa next video, i-comment mo na lang din. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel para mas marami ka pang tips and promos every week. Kahit umuulan sa labas, tuloy pa rin ang serbisyo. Kasi dito, hindi lang bentahan, kundi tulungan. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm Mad Sweet and see you sa next video. Keep safe and happy car hunting!